Welcome to Beautonic Life. Today I am going to show you how to make super easy keto spicy tuna sushi roll. This is perfect treat for everyone who loves sushi, just like me. So let's get started. I have all my ingredients already prepped, and first let's start with rice. We are using cauliflower rice. Then I will add keto-friendly mayonnaise, coconut vinegar. I will post all the products which I use in this video and which I love below the video. Okay, so we adding the mayonnaise because we want this rice to be a little bit sticky. But we don't want to overdo it with mayo, so we just need to try how much is enough. I add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And for this is optional, I will add little bit drops of stevia. I think with those stevia drops the rice will taste a little bit better. Okay, so now let's make a tuna mixture. So I have already drained and broken up tuna. I use this one, this brand. I have my tuna drained and broken up. I am going to add onion, garlic powder, mayonnaise, sesame oil, coconut aminos, and hot sauce. I am using the Red Hot Flag brand. This one is very delicious. Alright, so let me mix all ingredients together. Okay, the tuna mixture should look like this. It's time to roll the sushi. I am using 2 sheets of nori only because we are using cauliflower rice instead of regular rice, and the second layer is just for extra security, trust me. Okay, so let's put our rice over the nori sheet. We need to distribute evenly. This has to be layered evenly. Don't worry if the first sushi will not be perfect. It's okay, we are learning. But with practice, I promise you, you will master it. Plus, the most important thing is that this is super delicious and super healthy. So if you have any question regarding the sushi, just please feel free to comment below the video. When I made my first sushi, I need to tell you it was really not perfect, so don't be discouraged. Now I am going to add our tuna. You can always play with ingredients. For example, you can add more spicy sauce if you like spicy. And And today I am also adding cucumber, lettuce for extra crunchiness, and colorful carrot. Make sure your hands are always dry before you add next ingredients, just because you don't want the liquid going through the sheets. Next, I will put cucumber, carrots. You can also add avocado if you like. It would be a nice option. And the last is lettuce. I love the colors here because then our sushi will look very beautiful. Here is the moment you are waiting for. Let's roll our sushi. And trust me, it's not that difficult. All right, just press it a little bit. Look at this. This looks so beautiful, and trust me, this stuff tastes so delicious. And really, believe me, the trick is to use double sheets to secure all the layers. And try to clean your knife as much as possible. Our sushi is ready, and I love to serve sushi with coconut aminos. This is the healthiest alternative to soy sauce. And then we are going to use wasabi powder. This is perfect product because you just need to mix it with water and it's ready to go. You can also serve with pickled ginger. This is pretty much it for this video. And I hope you love this recipe and you will give it a try. If you have any question, like always, please ask me below the video and I will be happy to help. Please also subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and I would love to provide more content for you. So thank you so much again, and I love you so much, and have a great day. Bye bye.